Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to create an AOL account. Firstly, you need to open your preferred browser. On the search bar, click over there and search AOL Mail. Click on this website over here. Now we are going to create an account. Let's click on Create an Account. You will be required to enter your full name, email, password and date of birth. Once you finish entering all your information, then click on Continue. If you want to save your password on your Gmail account, then click on Save, or if you don't want, then click on Never. Now you need to enter your phone number for your account security. Once you finish entering your phone number, then click on Send Code. Let's click on I'm not a robot. Now you need to verify these images. Now you have successfully created an AOL account. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.